In this video, I'm going to show you the new version of Bing, which has the AI powered answer feature, and it's using the Microsoft Edge. I just received the email not long ago saying that it's available now and that I can use it. So let's see how it works. I'm just going to open up Microsoft Edge. So there you go. Let me see what I can do. Must be this one of the icons on the side here. Search. Nope. Let's see. Use one of the recent searches. Nope. So let's see. I need to throw. Let's see what that does. Oh, okay. On the side here, it's got the option to keep having the conversation. So let's chat here. And let's learn together. Bing is powered by AI, so surprise and mistakes are possible. Okay, so this is a chat version. So there's a prompt at the bottom here. And you can, I guess, continue asking the questions. Say vegan popcorn. Oh, that's just a link. But let me try something else. Looks like the maximum limit of the number of characters is 2000. Let me just pin this here so that it keeps it open. I'm going to ask a question that I've basically used with ChatGPT, and it was relating to using Microsoft Graph API. What is the Microsoft Graph API code in PHP to get the room events? And let's see what it returns. It's very similar to ChatGPT. It's got the stop responding button here. It's searching. So already it's a bit slower than ChatGPT. Now, considering that the question that I'm asking is also a Microsoft product, I would expect it to give me pretty detailed results. Let's have a look here. Okay, so yeah, it's returning some of the information, but it's very basic. Let me keep going. Use app authentication and display all the room events in a table. Let's see what that returns. The only difference as well is obviously the user interface looks a bit nicer. It's got learn more buttons at the bottom here. It's got the like and dislike. What does this? Oh, you can copy. Oh yeah, this looks very similar to what ChatGPT provided as a result. Okay, yeah, seems like it's doing something very similar to what ChatGPT returns. Although here it's specifying one particular room. I did ask to get the data from all the rooms rather than just the one room. ChatGPT actually returned a loop to get all the rooms in that organization. So that's a bit of a difference. Okay, so now how do I create a new session? Oh, a new topic here. Let me start a new topic and let me ask, what is the definition of incumbent? Okay, it doesn't automatically scroll down, as you can see before. I had to scroll it down. Don't think it's because I had that pinned. So it's got here 1 of 8. I'm not sure what that is. Put this in a sentence as an example. So let's see what that returns. So maybe you can only have 8 responses or results from the conversation. So maybe that's the limit. Put this in a poem. Let's see what that returns. So that's the poem. She felt the weight of her duty as the incumbent leader of the nation. She had to face the crisis with courage and inspire hope and determination. Let's make the poem longer and funnier. There we go, it's a bit longer. Do you find this amusing? Make it more amusing and much longer with 20 lines. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, so it's reached its limit. Use the broom button to sweep this away and chat more. Not sure why it's reached the limit. I've only got 5 of 8, so I should have 3 more responses to go. Okay, that's not that great. Okay, so new topic. Is it recording the sessions? No, it's not really recording any sessions. It's got here the option to be more creative or more precise. Let's go for more precise. Now let's do give me some digital signage companies in Australia. I also did this on ChatGPT and it actually returned the company that I work for. Didn't like that way that it didn't automatically scroll down. Okay, as you can see, the difference between this and ChatGPT is that there's a link here where you can click and it go to the link. Is there anything else? It did actually return the one that I was looking for. Let's see. Give me some digital signage companies in Sydney, Australia. Let's see what that returns. So it's searching for digital signage companies in Sydney, Australia. No, once again, didn't return the one I was looking for. Give me more companies for digital signage solutions, maybe in Sydney, Australia. Oh, couldn't find any. What about advertise me, BTY OTD? Don't know why it didn't find that one. Yes. Oh, okay. Wow. Yes, it's found it now. That's just great. But didn't return the results in the previous search. See what services they offer. Oh yes, they do offer those kind of services. Yes, give it a thumbs up. Like that. Yeah. Okay. Give me some photos from advertise me. solutions. Let's see what it returns, whether it does provide with some photos. Okay, so it's unable to display images. Okay, maybe let's go for this suggestion. What kind of display screens does Advertise Me have? So now it's doing the search. The interface is slightly a bit nicer than ChatGPT, but always the interface is not the main thing. You want to have the results. Yes, they can provide video walls. Okay, so at the moment it's 7 of 8. Don't know what this light means. Amber means probably it's reaching near the end. So I'm assuming red will be the next one. And how long has Advertise been in business? So this one, I'm assuming it will go red. Let's see if it goes red. Okay, so I couldn't find it. So there we go. Probably can't do anymore. Yep, so the conversation reached its limit. So it looks like you can have a conversation of 8. Which is not too bad. You do want to find the results within 8 questions, but if you're doing some coding, it might actually be longer than 8. And I've noticed that when I was doing some work with ChatGPT relating to coding, and this one goes to the website. Let's see. Yep, it goes to the website. Okay, so far not too bad. Oh, it scrolls through, goes down, it goes to that page. Now let me try creative version. Give me a rap song relating to the earth being blue. Let's see what he comes up with. So you can see that it's returned the results, but it's not scrolling down. Must be a bug or something. But here we go. Give me a rap song. The earth is blue and so are you. You're feeling down, don't know what to do. But don't you worry, don't you fret. There's a lot of beauty in this planet yet. You can see the oceans and the skies, the business and the forest full of life. You can hear the music and the laughter. The stories and the dreams are ever after. You can feel the love and the connection, the peace and the joy of self-expression. You can be yourself and shine your light. The earth is blue, but you can make it bright. It's not too bad. Sorry if I've offended anyone with my rapping. Can you make another rap song? Can you learn? How did you learn to rap? Yeah, good question. How did you learn to rap? I learned through listening a lot of listening. Okay, so yes, it's got ease. So that's pretty much the Bing AI search option. It would have been better if you can go to some of your other history of the chats. Don't think I can get that here anyway. But so far so good. The interface looks nice. I think in terms of the actual responses that you get from ChatGPT is a lot better. With this one, you can't really, with the code, you can't really copy and paste. It doesn't have a copy, a quick copy button. For example, write me some code to display the date. This is some Python code. And yeah, see, there's, you just have to highlight it. The interesting thing is it's got icons, the icons here, emojis, which makes it, I guess it's tagging it that it's a song, something to do with snake. Explain how the code works. Okay, it's got a very brief explanation, more trying to make it more social, I guess. So just in summary, so you can only ask or get a response to 8 questions. So there's a limit of 8. You can't go back to your previous conversations. In terms of data results, it seems to be not as detailed as ChatGPT. You can ask, or there's a limit of 2,000 characters. There was a bug with the scrolling. The good things is the interface looks pretty nice. It's got the these icons, emojis, and I guess you can click on the links. That's another benefit. And it has further prompts here that you can just click on to get further information. And that's about it. So hopefully this is the first time I've used it. I'm gonna keep playing with it to see if I can actually use this instead of ChatGPT. But hands down, I think ChatGPT is doing a better job. And there you go. That's my quick review. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.